actually gonna laugh.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus.
Dumbledore.
Ron.
Snape.
Ron.
Severus.
Ron.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus.
Ron.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus.
Dumbledore.
Severus.
Ron.
Dumbledore.
Weasley.
Severus.
Dumbledore.
Ron. Weasley.
Yeah. Dumbledore.
Snape.
Dumbledore. Hermione.
Potter.
Dumbledore.
Severus.
Dumbledore.
All day long at Hogwarts.
He knows. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay! Voldemort.
Voldemort.
Yay!
I can't say it.
Rose, say who you are.
I'm Hermione,
What's your real name?
and my real name is Rose. Oh, I was Harry. Yeah. Jillian.
I was Professor Severus Snape.
Well, that's
And my real name is Courtney.
I'm the awesome now dead Dumbledore. My real name is Rachel.
I was Ron and Voldemort. My name is Taylor.
Yeah, because they're so much alike.
And fabulous.
He's got